unveiling the mystery of sound shadow. Hello, everyone. Today we're diving into an interesting English phrase that might tickle your curiosity: sound shadow. Stick with us as we explore what this phrase means and how you can use it to amplify your English skills. The term sound shadow refers to an area where sound waves fail to reach, creating a zone of relative quietness. Imagine standing behind a large obstacle when someone is playing music on the other side. The obstacle blocks the sound waves, creating a shadow where the sound is significantly quieter. This concept is not only fascinating but also quite practical in understanding acoustics and sound behavior. To grasp the concept of a sound shadow, let's look at some everyday examples. Think about a building that blocks traffic noise, or the quiet spot behind a rock at the beach, where the sound of the waves is muted. These scenarios illustrate how sound shadows are present around us, influencing our auditory experiences. In language, sound shadow can be used metaphorically. For instance, someone might say they're staying in the sound shadow to avoid attention, or stepping out of the sound shadow to become more noticeable. The phrase can encapsulate the idea of being in a position where one is not directly affected by the noise of a situation. Understanding the term sound shadow not only enriches your vocabulary but also your perception of the world around you. We hope this video has shed some light on this intriguing concept and that you can now use it confidently in your conversations. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in the next one.